Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. I'm on a flagstone restoration project. Show you the stuff I run into. I'm going to try to do a series of videos on this project from beginning to end, showing you why these fail. See how this was installed, and then it was repaired at one time. So companies that don't know what they're doing on how to repair these properly, see this little thin layer of grout that they got here? And they filled the rest of the joints. All you got is this little layer on top, and this just cracks and peels away. See that? See all that right there? Underneath it? That all should have been grout instead of just filler. Same way right there. See the grout? That's all just a little dab on top. So you get a bid to repair these, and guys just chip away the little top layer and put a little thin layer in there, and in no time it just cracks to pieces. Restore these properly, there's just no other way to do it. You got to take them out. You got to grout this entire depth of that joint. Jade Alpine, you can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. After I'm done with this section here, I'm going to start around the pool. Jade Alpine, I'll see you guys on the next one.